Vehicle-mounted automatic weather station integrates monitoring, collection, storage, and transmission functions. Capable of providing accurate meteorological data from all directions and angles. Thanks to its portability, real-time performance, and accuracy, etc., playing an increasingly important role in meteorological monitoring. The car-mounted weather station also has 3 built-in 120-degree wide-angle cameras, capable of capturing the surrounding environment from all angles. Cooperate with the upper computer software. Users can view video footage and monitoring data in real time on the PCN. Realize remote monitoring and management. The device is equipped with a 5-element integrated sensor. Can simultaneously measure wind speed, direction, air temperature, humidity, and atmospheric pressure, etc. Real-time observation of key meteorological elements. The sensor housing is made of high-quality ABS material. Has excellent corrosion resistance and salt spray resistance. Capable of maintaining stable operation in harsh environments. Its protection level reaches IP65 or above. Ensure the durability and reliability of the equipment.